77 divided by 2. Since 2 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8. To find the multiplication table of 2 easily, just add 2 with the previous step. 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. 2 goes into 7 how many times? Look, 3 times 6, 4 times 8. So we have to stop here. 3. 3 times 2, 6. Subtract 1. Bring down this 7. 2 goes into 17 how many times? Look, 7 times 14, 8 times 16, 9 times 18. 18 is getter, so we have to stop here. 8. 8 times 2, 16. If you subtract, you are getting 1. So answer is 38, remainder 1. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then what will happen? Just take a decimal and add 0. Bring down the first 0, but before this 0 there is a decimal, so decimal must come to the quotient directly. 2 goes into 10 how many times? 5 times. Look, 5 times 10. 5 times 2, 10. If you subtract, you are getting 0. So 38.5 is your answer.